KATC Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, the heat is on. We're getting into the longest days of the year, 14 hours and 4 minutes. That's going to go another minute or two longer as we get closer to the summer solstice that doesn't get here until Tuesday of next week, about a week away. Yes, it is still officially spring on the celestial calendar. Meteorologically speaking, we're in summer for the most part. This big fat ridge of high pressure is going to be kind of just easing around the Gulf South over the next week to 10 days. So we're not going to see a big change in the pattern. A lot of high heat, and this high pressure ridge also trapping some atmospheric ozone levels. Add African dust on top of that, and we have some advisories to talk about as well. First off, you see the heat advisories, threat of severe weather off to the north, but a lot of heat advisories still in effect for tomorrow for northern Louisiana, southeast portions of southeast Louisiana. We may get one again tomorrow. We've been in one over the last couple of days, but elevated ozone levels. So we have an air quality alert for all the metro areas of Louisiana because of the dust, the stagnant pattern with that high pressure ridge. We don't have a lot of mixing going on, a lot of thunderstorms going on, and you may have noticed a pretty hazy sunset, and the moon right now is kind of hazy, and that's going to be a super moon coming up tomorrow night, also Tuesday night, so look for that, but it won't be as brilliant and bright because of all the atmospheric haze and dust that's going to be in the air. We'll show you that in just a bit. Tropics getting a little bit more active. The National Hurricane Center beginning to look at this area here in the southwestern Caribbean for possible development over the next 5 days. Nothing of concern for the most part. Pardon me. We do think we're going to see moisture generally staying down in the southwest Caribbean and then working its way up toward the Yucatan. This is the Euro model. Broad low pressure here, but nothing of organization. And then it continues to move to the west toward Mexico. Notice maybe some drier air, a front here on the Euro model. GFS model has been awfully frisky so far this tropical season, developing a tropical storm perhaps by the Yucatan, but then moving it to the west. And we think the GFS is a little overdone here because we have other factors going on in the tropics. That's a lot of African dust, and the dust comes in to Louisiana as we head into Tuesday, and it'll be thick Tuesday, Wednesday, and into Thursday. Maybe a potential tropical system in between the dust, so that's what we'll be on the lookout for. But again, no threats to the northern Gulf of Mexico at this point, so we're in pretty good shape with respect to the tropics. So overnight tonight, fair skies for the most part. Temperatures right near 80 to start the day, and then tomorrow we'll top out in the mid-90s. Heat index between 100 and 105, and then much the same. It's copy and paste weather going into Tuesday. Some clouds in the morning, mostly sunny and hazy. Can't rule out an isolated shower or two. We'll go 10% for your Tuesday, and that's mainly for Lafayette overall. There's the heat indices tomorrow. Again, 100 to 105 across the area. So limit your outdoor activities, not only because of the heat, but if you do have some respiratory issues, that could be a factor as well. 77 the low tonight with fair skies and that hazy moon out there working on that super moon. And then for tomorrow, the hot streak continues with mostly sunny skies, the haze gradually increasing, and that heat index up there will go 95 the high. 94 was the high today, so we're in the same territory over the next several days. Hopefully a chance of showers and storms coming in from the east Thursday, Friday may clean out some of the atmosphere, take some of the edge off of the expansive heat, but notice those highs continue in the mid-90s through much of next week as well. Mr. Brasdo.
5%. Is that just because you downright just refuse to say zero?
Yeah, because in Louisiana, you can never go zero. There's one
That
shower somewhere here or there. And last weekend, we got burned on 10% and 20%, so right over Lafayette when it's over 60% of the audience.
I asked the stupid questions. He nails it.
You did. Thank you.
Nice job, Mr.
Thank you.